quick video here. Excuse the bad video quality, my SD card went out. Anyway, real quick, so I bought this 3 Plus 28 degree framing nailer, and it's because my Bostitch decided to not work anymore, and I really struggle with rebuilding it. I don't know if it's worth the money or not. So this, at under $90, is the nearest replacement I can come up with. Now, I am not suggesting that this gun is anywhere near the quality of this Bostitch. You know, if you buy one of these new, you're going to get a long service life out of it. But here's the thing, when you have these nails, if you have 28 degree nails, there's not very many nail guns that'll take it, and this one does. So this Stanley here, this is a 28 degree clipped head nails, so they sit in the magazine like so. And on this tool, same thing, you can use these Bostitch nails, and that's really kind of solved my dilemma. Is I got all these nails that are now useless, I need a gun that will shoot it. So definitely a big quality difference in the two. I mean, this is much less tool. You know what I mean? This is a lower quality tool, 100%. What's interesting though, with the Bostitch, it loads like so. Like you put it through this loading door here, and on this one, it actually slides in the bottom like so. Let's turn that off. Again, it's going to be a loud video. So then you use this little clip thingy, this, let's see here. You just slide this, and it has a catch that goes down, and it goes up against the nails in the magazine. It's got a full auto mode, which I'm not sure what the point of that is. I have this thing set at, I think, just over 100 PSI. So let's give it a couple of test shots here. You know, definitely packs a punch. Definitely packs a punch. These are, what is it, 3-inch nails? Yeah, these are 3-inch nails. So, yeah, if you have a bunch of these, and you no longer have a working one of these, this is a really great substitute just for household use. You know, you're obviously not going to get the lifespan out of this. It definitely has kind of some cheaper plastic bits. I think it's actually quite a bit heavier than the Stanley. I don't know if this is aluminum or composite or whatever. This part, this guard here, that's a little flimsy. You know, this might be a little on the chintzy side, but you know what? I am very happy that I have a solution for my box of expensive nails. And so far, so good. Anyway, something for you guys to consider.